Oh, that's funny.
What that Charlie Kirk BS, huh?
Oh yeah. Boy, and reading
Shoot him
the
again.
comments on
Shoot him
it,
again. Two rounds each.
I tell you what, you a hitman or professional sniper or...
Who uses the bow Mauser 30-06 at 250 yards away? Yeah, exactly.
Alright,
No,
look
it
for your next
reminds
strike.
me of is Lee Harvey Oswald.
No, it does, because I worked private security for 25 years.
This is 3 rounds
In
each
order
you
to get
can
to a roof at the mall, you needed a ladder, or you needed 2 keys to
Turn
get
the
to
gun
roof.
so you can
needed to
grab
get
it
to
with
the
your left
stairwell,
hand.
and then you
There
needed
you
a
go.
key to get access to the roof. What
Are you
major
right?
university
Stand by.
has your roof access left wide open when you have a major event going on?
Yeah.
None.
Well,
None.
back in the late 60s, early 60s, the Moser would try to quarterize them.
I want to know where you got the gun from.
Give me his boyfriend.
Yeah. No, it's his girlfriend. Be respectful to
It
her.
was in, I think.
Alright, if